Question 11. Given that the quadratic equation 1 plus q x squared plus 1 plus qx plus p plus q equal to 0, where p and q are constants, expressed in terms of q of the equation touches the x-axis at only one point. Since it touches at only one point, it means one root, so it is equal root. So b squared minus 4ac must be equal to 0. So this is the a, this is the b, and this is the c, because the equation, it was in general form. Now let's substitute 1 plus q squared minus 4 times 1 plus q times p plus q equal to 0. In order to express p in terms of q, we need to simplify by shift the 4 multiplied by 1 plus q and p plus q to the right. Hence, we can cancel out one of the factor 1 plus q. So it looks very simple. 4 times p for p, 4 times q for q. Now we want the p as the king, so we leave the p alone. So 4p at the right, 1 plus q minus 4q will be 1 minus 3q, and then we need to divide by 4 because p is the king. So p in terms of q. So this is the answer, 1 minus 3q over 4. It must be p as a subject, as the king. So we have solved p in terms of q. Now let's move on. Find the range of the values of the q if the equation has two different roots and the value of p given -2. So let's use a b squared minus 4ac more than 0 because of two real roots, so it must be more than 0. So b squared minus 4ac, I have substitute p as -2 inside the c, which is -2 plus q. Now let's expand carefully. Now it's either you expand 1 plus q, you expand slowly. I think we focus to this one first. 1 plus q multiplied by -2 plus q more than 0. So I'm going to do expansion carefully. So 1 plus q is a common factor, right? I factorize the 1 plus q. So left 1 plus q minus 4 times -2 plus q. This will solve the method that you use will be shorter. It will save your time. So 1 plus q, -4 times -2 will be +8, and then -4 times q will be -4q, right? So let's simplify carefully. +8 minus 4q greater than 0, so it's 1 plus q, and then 9 minus 3q more than 0. You notice that we are having the coefficient of the q is negative q squared. So 1 plus q, I factorize the 3, will be 3. 1 plus q multiplied by 3 minus q more than 0. And the 3 I bring over to be divided. So finally, I'm getting an N shape because the quadratic function is having the negative q squared. So be very careful. -1 and 3. So let's sketch an N shape more than 0, right? So we have to shade above the x-axis, meaning that the q, the range of q should be greater than -1 or less than 3. Alright, so it's not always a U shape because we are having the coefficient of the Q which is negative. So we must sketch the N shape. Alright, so you can make it U shape if you shift to the right hand side, but then the inequality sign will become less than 0, and finally you will get the same answer.